Hi friend, today I want to share with my every YouTube friends that how we will be make a logo transparent in a official or non-official PowerPoint presentation, or how to show a picture with transparency in PowerPoint. At first I open a PowerPoint in my system, then go in insert and insert picture. Then next go in insert and go in shape to rectangle shape and create a rectangle with same size and shape of logo picture. Then select on the rectangle and right click on the rectangle and send to back and select logo and cut the logo, then select the rectangle and right click on the rectangle then go to format shape and go in fill to picture to texture fill and click on clipboard, then adjust picture transparency